Okay, we're in chapter 2 now. This is section 2.1, and this chapter is on solving linear inequalities. So just to review what the symbols are that we're going to be looking at. Less than looks like an L. That's how you're going to remember. This is greater than. This is less than or equal to because it has the line underneath it. Sometimes it'll be, the wording will be is at most. X is at most 3. So this is the symbol you would use with that wording. And then greater than or equal to will sometimes have the wording is at least. So X is at least 3 would be X is greater than or equal to 3. So let's show some practice on writing inequalities. For example, 3 is at least twice the number k minus 4. So I know that the symbol I'm going to use is greater than or equal to. So let's just go ahead and write this. 3 is at least, so it's going to be greater than or equal to twice the number k minus 4. Okay. This is just like writing equations, only we're using the inequality symbols. So the next one, 1/2 a number x, which is 1/2 of x, is less than or equal to 4. And the next example, 4 is no greater than, so that means it's got to be less than or equal to something. 3 times the number x would be 3x. And it's just as simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and go right into, I was going to do 2.1, but let's talk about graphing inequalities. So graphing on a number line, pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, so let's look at this example. X is greater than or equal to -1. So we're going to target -1. And because it's or equal to, then I know that -1 is a solution, so I'm going to fill in the circle. The solution has to be greater than -1. All of these numbers are greater than -1. So it'd be all of the numbers to the right of -1. What about x is less than 3? Let's see if I can find another color. Alright, so 3 is my target. And because this doesn't say or equal to, I don't fill that circle in. I leave it open because 3 is not part of the solution. The solution is everything that's less than 3. So that's what that would look like. And now let's look at writing in linear inequalities from a graph. Okay, so I know that I'm going to put x on the left. My target number goes on the right. And the solution is everything to the right of 1. So I know that x has to be greater than 1. And I know it's not or equal to because this is an open circle. It's not filled in. Alright, let's look at this one. So put x on the left. My target number, which is 0, on the right. And the solution is everything that's less than that. But this time, 0 is a solution because it's filled in, so I know that that has to be or equal to. And that is it for 2.1.